हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम टू अर्पिता शर्मा क्लासेस। आप सभी का स्वागत है अर्पिता शर्मा क्लासेस में। तो आज हम एक वीकली टेस्ट लेकर आए हैं जो हर संडे लेकर आएंगे। एवरी संडे वी आर गोइंग टू कम अप विद दिस शॉर्ट वीकली टेस्ट. इट विल बी अ वेरी शॉर्ट वीकली टेस्ट फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू, wherein we are going to cover some important questions. मैं आपको एज टेस्ट कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस दूंगी इस वीकली टेस्ट में, सो दैट यू कैन कवर देम एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो प्रैक्टिस एंड सी वेयर योर प्रिपरेशन राइट नाउ इज स्टैंडिंग एट. ओके, सो इस वीकली टेस्ट से होगा क्या कि आप हर हफ्ते संडे को ये शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस अगर सॉल्व करेंगे तो इससे आपका कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल भी इंक्रीज होगा. एंड दीज शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस आई विल बी फ्रेमिंग फ्रॉम द एनसीईआरटी एंड फ्रॉम द करंट अफेयर्स. ठीक है, एंड 6-7 क्वेश्चंस ही होंगे. देयर विल बी 6-7 प्रीलिम्स एंड मेंस बोथ ओरिएंटेड क्वेश्चंस. प्रीलिम्स मींस दोनों के ही पर्सपेक्टिव से हम क्वेश्चन बनाएंगे सो दैट यू कैन फील अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस इन योर प्रिपरेशन. Let's start the test. Before that, here's a small announcement for all of you regarding the T20 Daily Current Affairs Test Series for the month of December, which is starting. This is the largest online daily free test series on current affairs for UPSC CSE aspirants, which Unacademy has started. This will have questions from recent topics for the upcoming UPSC CSE examination, and the tests are curated by top Unacademy educators. Detailed analysis for all the tests by top educators Atish Mathur and Anand Agrawal will be done to improve your command and clear all your doubts. Ranking for the test would be provided if you take up the test live. अगर आप live test लेते हो तो आपको ranking भी मिलेगी आपकी. The test paper would be available in both Hindi and English. Now, how to enroll in this test? Go to the App Store and download the Unacademy Learning app. Then register and sign in to the app or website and go to the test section. Click on the See All button in the test section and enroll in the test series for free to take the test. And when prompted, there will be a prompt on the screen. Please enter the referral code to activate your free plan, which is Arpita 10. तो जब आप enroll करोगे ना, this type of white box you will get on the screen before enrolling. So for that you have to type Arpita 10. This is the code, this is a referral code which will activate your free plan on Unacademy Plus. Using this code you can watch any lesson for free on Unacademy Plus. Unacademy Plus पर आप कोई भी lesson for free देख सकते हो ये code use करके Arpita 10. So the link is given below in the description box. Download the Unacademy Learning app, register, enroll in the test and use this code Arpita 10 to start giving these tests for free. These are free test series for all of you for the month of December to strengthen up your prelims preparation. Let's start with the first question. Consider the following statements about hybrid annuity model. It is a new form of BOT annuity model. Government will contribute 60% of the project cost in the first 5 years through annual payments. There is no right to collect toll for developer. Which statement is correct? कौन सा statement correct है? फटाफट से mark करें. You have 5 seconds time to mark this question. So the correct answer in this question is it is C. Statement 3 is absolutely correct. Statement 3 absolutely correct है. ठीक है, तो let us understand first what is hybrid annuity model. ये hybrid annuity model होता क्या है ये समझ लेते हैं. So hybrid annuity model अगर simply हम बात करें, we simply put it, it's a mixture of EPC and BOT annuity model. EPC is Engineering Procurement Construction Model, wherein the government provides 40% of the project cost. And Build Operate Transfer annuity model, wherein the private player brings 60% of the capital. And what do you mean by this term annuity? Annuity का मतलब क्या है? Annuity means that private players don't collect toll but recover investment via annuities. Okay, so that is why here correct answer will be C, because it's not a new form of BOT annuity model. It is a mixture of EPC and BOT model. Okay, and government will contribute 60% of the project cost. No, that is also incorrect. Over here you can see private players are going to bring 60% of the capital, government will bring 40% of the capital. There is no right to collect toll for developer. Yes, it is correct. ये बिल्कुल correct है. ठीक है, because private players they doesn't collect toll but they recover investment via annuities. Okay, so I hope now this is understood. Coming on to the next question. Consider the following statements regarding permafrost. Permafrost is any ground that remains completely frozen for at least 2 years straight. They are located only in high latitudes or around the Arctic and Antarctic regions. The thawing of permafrost has implications for the global climate. Correct answer in this case is, you have 5 seconds time to determine the correct answer. 5 सेकंड का टाइम है आप लोगों के पास, फटाफट से डिटरमाइन करें. The correct answer in this case is, इस केस में correct answer है C. Statement 1 and 2 are correct. Statement number 3 is incorrect. Let us first understand what is permafrost. So permafrost, it is also known as permanently frozen ground, and it is a land that has been frozen at or below 0 degrees Celsius for 2 or more consecutive years. So first statement is correct. Second statement says they are located only in the high latitude around Arctic and Antarctic regions. Yes, because Arctic region is a vast ocean covered by thick ice on the surface, which is also known as sea ice. It is surrounded by landmass that are also covered with snow and ice. Second statement is correct. Now the third statement says thawing of permafrost has implications for the global climate. That is wrong. Because when permafrost it thaws, the rock grows, and when permafrost is stable and frozen, they do not grow. So it does not have any impact on the global climate. It has impact on the rocks around it. Okay, so third statement is wrong. Question number 3 is a current affair related question. Consider the following statements regarding conservation agriculture. Conservation agriculture is a farming system that can prevent losses of arable land while regenerating degraded lands. External inputs such as agrochemicals are not applied so that it does not disrupt the biological process. It includes crop livestock integration and integration of trees and pastures into agricultural landscapes. So which statement is correct? जल्दी से बताएं. जल्दी से बताएं कौन सा क्वेश्चन, कौन सा ऑप्शन करेक्ट है. विच ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट? Correct answer is B. Statement 1 and 3 are correct. Now conservation agriculture, it is related to GS paper 3. ये आपके GS paper 3 से related है. So in mains this question can come. What is conservation agriculture? Discuss its advantage in the wake of climate change leading to soil degradation. ये question आपका mains में आ सकता है. So let us understand conservation agriculture. ये समझ लेते हैं क्या होता है. Conservation agriculture is a set of soil management practices that minimizes the disruption of soil's structure, composition and natural biodiversity. It also has proven potential to improve crop yields while improving the long-term environmental and financial sustainability of farming. So that is why second statement is absolutely incorrect. Next question, polycrack technology recently seen in news. It is related to beekeeping in controlled environment, building earthquake resistant structures, detecting fake passports and currency notes, converting feedstock into hydrocarbon liquid fuels. So which statement is correct? जल्दी से बताएं. जल्दी से बताएं कौन सा स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट है इस केस में. Correct answer is D. Polycrack technology, it is used to convert feedstock into hydrocarbon liquid products. It is world's very first patented heterogeneous catalytic process which converts multiple feedstocks into hydrocarbon liquid fuels, gas, carbon as well as water. Okay. So again this question is very important. It has been taken from the Hindu newspaper. Hindu newspaper का question है. Now the theoretical question that you have to practice yourself. Answer the following questions in about 30 words. These questions have been taken from NCERTs. ये जो questions हैं ये सारे ही questions हमने NCERT से लिए हैं मेंस के. ठीक है. NCERT, which NCERT we have used? Geography NCERT, the physical NCERT, fundamental of physical geography, class 11th. Okay. So answer the following questions in about 30 words. What are body waves? Why do earthquakes waves develop shadow zones? Next question, answer in about 150 words. What do you understand about intrusive forms? Briefly describe various intrusive forms. Our earth is a playfield for two opposing groups of geomorphic process. Discuss. and this question has been taken from current affairs. Discuss the significance. Significance means discuss the importance of Supreme Court's verdict in Keshavananda Bharti case judgment. So these are the practice questions for all of you. ये आपके आज के practice questions हैं जो आपको practice करने हैं, ठीक है? तो जरूर इसको practice कर लीजिएगा. The questions PDF will be uploaded on our Telegram channel also. तो वहां से आप practice कर सकते हो. On this note, we are wrapping up the session. Do not forget to enroll in this free test series and use this code ARPITA10 to unlock the free plan. Okay.